Hello, welcome to this video. I'm in Manchester, United Kingdom, and I'm here to enjoy some vacation, but I'm gonna do some street photography. It's very nice here. It's New Year's Day, and I'm gonna do some street photography, so let's go and see what we get. Hey, to make this more interesting, I think I'm gonna aim to do 3 types of shots. One is panning shot, so maybe a bus or a cab that's moving. And the second one is reflection shot, because here it has been raining, so I think I can get some reflection shots. And the third type is maybe symmetry. I haven't seen much symmetry here. Actually, there is one here. So let's start taking these shots and then see what I come up with more. Reflection.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah, but it's too tight. You're doing so.
Yeah. So,
Nice.
So do you live in the town then?
No, I'm visiting. I'm live in Sweden.
Right.
You're from Manchester?
St Helens, which is halfway between Manchester and Liverpool. So I come in once a week, maybe twice a week, and so I shoot street portraits. So
nice.
Yeah.
So that's really good. Did you manage to get something nice?
These are the 2 women from Austria, and then there's some really colourful girls as well. So these.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Do you share them somewhere? Or
Yeah.
Do you have Instagram or?
Let me give you. If you put my name into Instagram, you'll find me. And there's a lovely sort of piece of artwork just to the left here. Have you seen it?
No.
See this one here?
Oh yeah.
It's really beautiful. So I photograph people in front of that. If you're here till the 8th, you should try Liverpool as well. Liverpool's a good place to. Yeah.
I will send.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you. Nice to
So
meet
what's
you.
your name?
Anas.
Anas.
Yeah, and you're
Howard.
Howard. Yeah, nice to meet you. Continue having a nice day.
Traffic.
Yeah, thanks. Bye bye. So that was a really nice encounter. I'm gonna share his contact details on his Instagram. Thank you. Thank you. That's interesting, right? So this corner behind me, I think I can do some symmetry photos here. Also there are buses passing by, so I can do panning. And there is some water on the ground there, so maybe I can do reflection. So I'll try to do the 3 photos in this place. No, I'm gonna spend some time.
I'm not going to get you back in.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and walking with me. I hope you like the results and enjoyed the vibes and everything. I know I did. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.